Alright, what's up, AP? Let's talk about how to do process photos for your for your for your portfolio for AP. So let me open up a AP folder and show you some process photos from last year. Excuse me. We have some different process photos. You can put like anything in here. You can even put pictures of you actually drawing. You could put pictures of you in a critique. There's lots of ways of doing the process photos. I'm going to show you how to do some process photos with Emily's from last year. So she was working on a cubism piece, which you can kind of see coming together here. And she made sketches, she did different reference pictures, she put things together, she practiced colors, she took some process photos along the way. So we're going to use those, and basically we're going to just be really smart and use Google Slides. So let me get into my Google Drive, and let me create a new Google Slide blank presentation. Okay, and if you would like to control the size of your slides, you can go to File, Page Setup, and you can create your own like ratio. You can even come in and like say, I want something that's 10 by 10 inches. Okay, and then it'll be like a square or something. So it's whatever you want. So you can open one up and create whatever size picture you want pretty much. And then if you want to change the background color, you could do that. I know Emily changed the background color on hers, so I'll just do that just to show you, okay? And basically, you should start inserting your pictures. So you could do that by going to Insert Image and like getting it from your computer or your Google Drive, wherever your pictures are, or I believe my Mac will allow me to just kind of drag and drop some of these in here. Yep, okay, and I'm just going to start minimizing them just so that I know I can have enough space. Come on, baby. Here we go. All right. There's another one. Which ones didn't I get yet? 1, 2. I haven't gotten this one. This one is good because it shows her using masking. And then I believe there's 2 more pictures. That one. There you go. And one more. Where did it go? Ah, there it is. Okay. So let me just get this. Okay. So now we have this big old like collage of pictures. So I think I might put, like if it's me, I think I'd put some of the reference pictures first. Or, you know what I think I would do? I think I put my initial sketches first. I think that was the initial sketch. And then she wanted to take some reference pictures. Okay, and put some right there. You just kind of drag them and resize them. Always pull from the corners. Okay, and I kind of want to show, oops, I put that one in there twice. Okay, I kind of want to show the order of things, and I'm going to use some arrows to help me do that in a second. I think the arrows are really good. Now, you could add a bunch of wording in here and label things, but they're not really required to read the wording, so it's a little bit of a waste of time. So you're going to be limited on your wording and your descriptions when you do your portfolio, so don't think that you can add like a paragraph of description here to help describe your process. So I kind of want to show the order of things, so what I'll do is I'll insert shape and I'll insert an arrow, and I can already kind of show like it went from here to here. And I'm going to copy and paste that arrow from there, and then I'll copy and paste that arrow again, and this time I will rotate it. There we go. Okay, and copy paste, and I'll rotate this one again so we can see the order of how this kind of went, and there we go. Okay, so this would be a perfectly fine example of some process photo. pictures and how to put them together. I think it's really good to have many, like multiple pictures in here to show the process, and like where it started to where it came, or where it ended basically. And then the last little step is you need to save this as a picture. So basically we're going to go to download and download it as a JPEG. Okay, and just use that, and then you can have a picture that you could put into your portfolio. It'll be all good.